inches squared. Let me go ahead and add that in. There we go. We're going to go ahead and go to box B, and I'll do box B in blue. Box B, we've got 16 inches by 9 inches by 3/4 inches. So 16 over 1 times 9 over 1 times 3/4. And again, 16 and 4 are both divisible by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So what I'm left with is 4 times 9 times 3. I'm going to do 4 times 3 first because that's 12. Times 9 is going to be 108. So that is 108 inches squared. So that one does not have the least volume because box A is going to be bigger, or is going to be smaller than that. Let's go ahead and move on to box C. Box C we'll go ahead and do in yellow. And we've got 5 times 8 times 3. Ooh, all whole numbers. So 5 times 8 is going to be 40, times 3 is going to be 120 inches squared. That one is also not the least, so we're going to cancel that one out. We've got one more. We'll do box D. Box D, you have 4 by 7 times 1/2. I'm going to go ahead and multiply 4 times 1/2 first, and that's 2. And then 2 times 7 is going to be 14. So this one's much smaller than all the other ones. So which box has the least volume? And that is going to be box D at 14 inches squared.